strikingly futuristic for its time. The 1934 Bugatti Aerolithe remains one of the most mysterious and awe-inspiring vehicles ever crafted. A blend of visionary design and engineering ambition. Unveiled as a concept at the 1935 Paris Auto Salon, the Aerolithe was built on a Bugatti Type 57 chassis and featured a 3.3-liter inline-8 engine, capable of producing around 135 horsepower, an impressive figure for its era, with a top speed exceeding 100 miles per hour. It wasn't just a visual masterpiece, but a high-performance machine. The body was constructed from electron, a lightweight magnesium alloy that was nearly impossible to weld, resulting in its iconic exposed riveted seams along the spine and fenders. Compared to other contemporaries like the Delahaye 135 or Alfa Romeo 8C, the Aerolithe stood alone in its daring use of materials and aerodynamic Art Deco silhouette. Though only one prototype was built and mysteriously lost, the Aerolithe inspired the later Bugatti Atlantic models, cementing its influence in automotive history. Its role was not commercial success, but as a statement of innovation, design purity, and technological fearlessness. In the future, the Aerolithe's legacy will fuel the creation of hyper-exclusive electric Grand Tourers, merging cutting-edge lightweight composites with timeless design philosophy, showing that true beauty can transcend decades and drive the spirit of innovation forward.